children. Now I am going to take English for you. Okay children. So in the last class I explained the poem that is fourth about what children? About mice. Now this is fifth lesson. Okay children. So this is fifth lesson. If you have textbook, please open the textbook children. So you are all going for shopping with your parents, no children? So do you like shopping children? Yes, you all like shopping, no? So we can learn about this lesson. Come, let us go for shopping. So the lesson name is Come, let us go shopping. Okay children? So read the lesson carefully. Listen. My name is Roshan. I like to do shopping. Do you like to do shopping? Generally, I do shopping on Sunday and holidays. Now let's do some shopping. Will you come with me? So this boy name is Roshan. He is going for shopping. He likes to do shopping and he is asking for you all that if you like shopping. So this boy is going to shop on holidays and Sundays. So he is asking us to come with him. Okay children? Mr. Roshan, his wife and his son are going to the market. First they are entering a vegetable shop. How much is a kilo of potatoes? Asked Mrs. Roshan. 8 rupees, answers the shopkeeper. What about tomatoes? She asks. It is 5 rupees a kilo, says the shopkeeper. Mrs. Roshan is buying a kilo of potatoes. She is buying half a kilo of tomatoes too. Mr. Roshan, his wife and his son are now going to a footwear shop. Roshan needs a new pair of shoes. They are buying a pair of black shoes. They are buying a pair of white socks too. Next, they are going to a sweet shop. They are buying a kilo of jalebi and half a kilo of laddus. Roshan loves sweets. Okay, children? So, this man name is Roshan. Mr. Roshan and his wife, Mrs. Roshan and his son are going to the market. So, when they went to the market, first day they entered a vegetable shop, means tarkari andi. So, when they entered that vegetable shop, this Mrs. Roshan is Mr. Roshan's wife is so she asked for the vegetable shop that how much kilo is potato. So 1 kg how much? Potatoes means alugade. Okay children? So 1 kg how much? She asked. So the shopkeeper answered that for 1 kg 8 rupees. So again this Mrs. Roshan asked, what about tomato? So tomato is how much? 1 kilo. So the shopkeeper told that 1 kilo is 5 rupees. Who told like that? The shopkeeper told for Mrs. Roshan that tomato is 5 rupees a kg. So this Mrs. Roshan purchased tomatoes, 1 kilo potatoes and half kilo tomatoes. So how much kilo purchased potato? 1 kilo potatoes and half kilo tomatoes. After purchasing these vegetables, next the 3 of them went to the footwear shop, means slippers shop. So this Roshan, he wants to purchase a pair of shoes. So he purchased a black color shoe and white socks. They purchased a pair of white socks too. And next, after purchasing the shoe and socks, they went to the sweet shop. So in the sweet shop, they purchased a kilo of jalebi, 1 kg jalebi and half kg laddus. So this Roshan likes to eat more sweets. Do you all like children to eat more sweets? Yes, but you must not eat more. It is effect to the teeth. If you eat more sweets, the teeth will get what will happen to the teeth children? It will spoil. Okay children, and bad smell will come. So you must not eat too much sweets. Okay children. Next page. Now they are entering a bakery. Mr. Roshan is buying a loaf of bread. He is buying some cakes too. Roshan likes cakes. He takes cakes to school. he eats them at break time. Now they are at a grocery. The shopkeeper is weighing the things. He is packing them. He is giving the packets to Mrs. Roshan. Mrs. Roshan is paying money. Then she is taking the things. She is arranging them in a blue basket. Now the shopping is over. Mr. Roshan, his wife and his son are getting into a bus. They are returning home. So after they purchased this jalebi and laddus, now they went for the bakery. So in the bakery, Mr. Roshan purchased a loaf of bread, means one loaf of bread, full bread, and he purchased cakes too. So this Roshan likes to eat cakes, and he purchased the cakes also, and he will take to that school and he will eat in the lunch break time. After finishing this bakery, again they went to the grocery shop. Grocery means ration angdi. So rice, ragi, vegetables, this sugar, all will be there, no? That is called grocery shop. So they went there and purchased something. The shopkeeper weighed that one, all the things they purchased, and he packed them in a bag and he gave that packets to the Mrs. Roshan. After giving the packets to Mrs. Roshan gave the money. She paid the money to the shopkeeper. Then she took all the things and she arranged them in the blue basket. After arranging in the blue basket, then their shopping was over, and they, three of them, went to the bus station and they got inside the bus, and afterwards they returned to the home. Okay children, I think you could have understood. Any doubt children? I will explain in Kannada also. ಮಿಸಸ್ ರೋಷನು ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರೋಷನು ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ 3 ಜನನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅವರು ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ 1 kg ಪಟಾಟೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಮಿಸಸ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು 8 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಎಷ್ಟು kg ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು 5 rupees ಅಂದರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1 kg ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು. ಆವಾಗ ಮಿಸಸ್ ರೋಷನು 1 kg ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ kg ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅವರು ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ. ಅವನು ರೋಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೂಸು ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶೂ, ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶೂ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಾದಮೇಲೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 kg ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ kg ಲಡ್ಡು ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ರೋಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 kg ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ kg ಲಡ್ಡು ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಳ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇಕ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಆವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಕ್ಸು ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಕೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೇಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅವನು ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅವ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಸಸ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮಿಸಸ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ಲೂ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ತಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್? ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವ? ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನೇನು ತೊಗೊತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ I shall ask some question children. So where are Mr. Roshan's family going first children? So first they are going for the vegetable shop. Next question. What is Mrs. Roshan buying at the vegetable shop? ಅವ್ರು ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ? Mrs. Roshanu. So she is buying a kilo of potato and half kilo of tomato. No children? Next, what are they buying at the footwear shop? So they are buying a pair of black shoes and a pair of white socks. No children? Next, what are they buying at the bakery? So they are buying a loaf of bread and cakes. Next question. Where is Mrs. Roshan putting the things? So she took from the shopkeeper the things and all no packets. So where she put it? So she is putting the things in a blue basket. Okay children. Now make a list of things bought by Mr. Roshan and his wife. So they purchased something, no? So can you say children what they purchased? Can anyone say children? Okay. So they purchased kilo of potato, half kilo tomato and pair of black shoes, pair of white shoes, next jalebi and laddu, and afterwards loaf of bread and cakes, and afterwards they went for the grocery shop and they purchased some items and they packed in the blue basket. Okay children? So I am sending notes also. You must write these notes in the classwork neatly. Okay children? Thank you.